is a cooperative enterprise, with integrating the design, production, and installation of the steel structure. We have got the ISO 9001 and the SGS test. Secondly, I would like to introduce some advantages of the foam cement board houses. 1. Advantage of excellent built-in steel structure. The structural strength is excellent because of the built-in steel structure and foam cement material. 2. Good thermal resistant. Excellent in thermal insulation. The thermal resistance could be 0.63 square meter Kelvin per watt. 3. Good sound insulation. The board has very good performance in soundproof because the special design of the foam cement material. 4. Excellent fireproofness performance. The foam concrete is mainly made of cement, which is inorganic and completely incombustible. The fire test result can reach A1 level. 5. Long lifespan. The lifespan can be more than 50 years because all the materials are made from a physical reaction. The lifespan for all material are more than 50 years. 6. Modular assembly. It's very easy and convenient to assemble. You just need simple tools to connect all the parts together. 7. Natural disaster proof. The house has excellent performance in wind resistance, usually 180 km/h, rain proof, snow proof, moisture proof. 8. No building waste. All parts of the house are made well done in the factory. No need to cut or welding in construction area, so there is no building waste. 9. Easy to decorative. The surface of the board is flat and smooth, and very easy to be decorative. 10. With electrics and plumbing systems. The electrics will be made well inside of the panels when producing the foam cement board. 11. The last but not least, the material will be the first choice for the future steel structure, villa house, and residential houses. The preamble for the company is, we're focusing on your comfortable life, not only on a house. Welcome to come and visit our house and factory. Thanks for your time.